Videezy Honest Review, Best Free Stock Videos, My Experience and User Insights. Finding high-quality stock footage without breaking the bank can be tough. That's why I tested Videezy, a platform known for offering free and premium stock videos. But is it really as good as it sounds? Here's my honest experience. Videezy offers thousands of video clips across multiple categories from nature and travel to business and technology. What stood out right away was the quality. Many of the free clips are in IQ resolution, which is rare for a no-cost platform. Most people get this wrong. They assume free means low quality. But Videezy's library rivals some paid sites, especially for creative projects and social media content. The site's layout is user-friendly, with an intuitive search bar and filters for orientation, resolution, and license type. Each video clearly lists whether it's free for commercial use or requires attribution, which helps avoid copyright issues. On the downside, some free results lead to premium options from partner sites, which can be confusing. And while free downloads are great, you occasionally see watermarks, unless you upgrade. Overall, Videezy is an excellent resource for creators who want quality footage without monthly fees. If you're producing YouTube videos, marketing content, or educational projects, it's a reliable and cost-effective option.